All right. So if your book are getting blocked, I want you to pay keen attention to this video. If you look at the screen very well, you're going to see this is their usual message. They always say, based on our review, we won't be accepting your book at this time because your book might result or might result in a disappointing customer experience. After um countless appeal, I told them, hey, my book is good enough, my book is this and that, but still, um, what happened at the end? Now you can see they said after further review, we have decided to upload our previous decision and will not be publishing. You can see that down here in case you're looking for where I'm reading down this place. But the great news is you can see that same book now has gone live. You can see correlation, your book, brain teaser has gone live. Now, what did I do? That is what I'm going to be telling you in this video. I want you to pay attention. Let's get into it. But before we get into that, I want us to ask this question. A lot of people have been asking me this question on my DM. Is Amazon trying to limit numerous book publishing? But they didn't state this in any of their latest updates. They didn't tell us that we will not be accepting more than. We all know that Amazon does not permit more than 4 books or 3 books per section or per format. You know, in Amazon you upload ebooks, you upload paperback, you upload hardcover. Yes, hardcover. Amazon does not permit more than 3 per format. So Amazon did not make this statement. The second one is, are they blocking book based on your location? Because in one of my videos, I advise we use VPN, but I've tried VPN. 8, 10 books went live. After that book, we're getting blocked, and I said I connected to United States, but still book are getting blocked. Then is AI in charge of book review? All these are bigger question I think people have been asking. Is there because how can they just block book the way they want? Is it AI that's in charge of this book blocking? Then the next one is your book not good enough? Because I think a lot of people keep on asking the question. They said, did you do the truth is, I know a lot of us are spending hours trying to get our book quality enough, well formatted manuscript in good format, but still, after all your effort, you find out that your books are getting blocked. And sometimes we even argued in a group and said it's your title, your subtitle, your metadata that's the problem. Someone said the long title is the reason. Someone said the subtitle is the reason. Someone said the category you put your book is the reason. Someone said the 7 backend keyword. Someone said your description is too long. All this they were not like this in the beginning. All time it was not like this. You can put all stuff and all stuff. Some tried it. Their book went live on short of subtitle. Some even tried it. The long title, their book still went live. So what is the challenge here? So another question is, how can a book which has not even stay up to 5 minutes get blocked? That is even my challenge here, because you just put your book and in the next 5 minutes your book has been blocked, and you keep on questioning yourself, how will 5 minutes book that just stayed? Some people say their own has not even gotten even up to 2 3 minutes and they say blocked, and you just get blocked. And what do you do? I even advised again. I said, is he a Kindle Vella? So I'm just trying to put all these questions so that you know it's not really your fault. It might be your fault, but now the problem, I think it's with Amazon on 70 percentage. Now, what was the big solution to this? How was I able to sort this out? Did I appeal them? You discovered I appealed them and they said no. But how come all of a sudden this book went live? How come all of a sudden this book went live? Now, this is what I did. I said, create another account and republish your blocked book. Stop wasting time. Yes, when one of your account is affected, oh, I just want to tell you sorry. When one of your account is affected with book blocking, it keep on going like that. The next book you publish on that account receive blocked. The next book you published on that account receive blocked. But what I'll say is, if you create a new account, that book that was rejected on one account is going to go live immediately on that account. But sometimes it take up to 3 days. For the paperback, it take up to 5 days. Some take 7 days, while some 6 days. But still, the book went live. It's not based whether it's Kindle version or ordinary account, because I know some have been telling me, should I use Kindle Vela? I told you, whether using a Kindle Vela, both of them will, both of them will go live. Yes. So, and something I want to correct, please. Whether using a Kindle Vela does not mean they reduce your royalty or you not make sales. It's a lie. Nothing concern the Kindle Vela and just creating an account. Kindle Vela is just a sub inside the normal account. The same way you create in your normal account, that is the same way you create our books on Kindle Vela. So there is no limitation to that. I've not seen any limitation as well. Create any of these accounts if you feel, but I think you should create a new account. That is very important. Create a new account. Why I say create a new account is when you create an account, don't add payment method. Don't add payment method. Don't. If you check my video, just check the videos how to create KDP account without adding payment method. You see the video there. Just ensure you watch it. It's very important. Then I think a lot of people are, the second one is they ask is scared of multiple account termination. Yes, don't be scared of multiple account termination. I've made series of videos. If you watch my channel 6 months ago, I talked about multiple accounts, and I said watch that, because you can use your phone to create multiple accounts. This is what you do. Ensure you have a different browser. Yes, very important. Different browsers. Download Doc2Go or DuckDuckGo. Download Kiwi browser, download the Yandex browser, download Brave browser. You can even download Bing AI browser, different browser you can. Orion browser, you can download many browsers. Just log in and be safe. But one thing I'll tell you is when you create an account, please don't add payment method. Don't add payment method, because when you add payment method, Amazon is going to come for you. When I say don't add payment method, this is what I mean. Let me just clarify things. If you create using multiple accounts, for example, you have an account with already a gray US, or you are using a GeekPay or using Clever, because all the three I mentioned, how to create all this account is on my channel. Let's say you're using Gray and they give you dollar account, they give you a pounds account, and they give you a euro account. If you create a new account, please, because you used dollar account in one of your account, don't take this pounds account and go and use in your new account. They will track you. Instead, create a fresh account from all this platform and use them. You can use any of them, but please. But I said something again. I said you should not you should not add payment method. The reason why I said that is, let's say Amazon permit at least 4 books to go live on your new account. We've studied it. They permit 4 books to go live on a new account. After that, you might be experiencing blocking. But when you exceed 4, they want to check your first 10 books. So when you make your first 4, I want you to be careful with what you publish. Then these 10 books. Let's say you've added payment method before immediately you create your account on your first book. Second book went live. Third book went live. The fourth book went live. The fifth book start getting blocked. Or 6. What do? I don't think you can use that payment method on a new account, because Amazon will find out. So that is why I said don't add payment method. Should in case anything happen to this account, you know you're still having a payment method not used. But when the account you discovered your first 10 book, 15, 20, 25 are going live, then when you start making sales, please go and update your payment method. Then you can now receive your pay. So please, then finally, I want you to ensure you follow Amazon content guideline. Yes, follow Amazon content guideline. Just search for Amazon content guideline. You're going to read that, read all the KDP guidelines about titling, about subtitling, because sometimes when you don't get that general message, which is your book might result to a disappointing customer experience. Please, 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 please. That means it's your fault. Yes, you have to check if you go against their policy. Sometimes the book blocking is not a result. So when you get one book block on your account because of your fault, you can go on and publish your book. Sorry. All right. I'm sorry. So you can ensure you follow their guidelines of certain. Please, I want you to consider other platform. Don't just stick and stay with Amazon all time. Please consider other platforms. Consider other platforms like Kobo. Consider other platforms that you think that are beautiful. At least I mentioned at least 11 good platforms on my last 3 videos. Yes, alternative platform to Amazon KDP. Start putting your books there. Who know, sales might come and you can use it to cover up for other stuff. Then finally, I want us to talk on WhatsApp. In case you're having something you want to tell me, something different you want to tell me, please just check my the link on my channel. You're going to see my WhatsApp. Just click on it and you message me, or better still, you can still message me on 091 yes 2767 909022. Yes, that's what I just called. That's my official WhatsApp line. I'm giving it out because I think we should be friends. But before you do that, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you want to get a Canva Pro account, you want to get any of the WhatsApp a KDP tool like Bookbeam, you want to get Kdpspy, you can send me a DM as well, and I'll grant you access to all this. All right, thank you for watching, and thank you for taking time to create a new account. Please don't spend too much energy on phantoming why books are getting blocked, but instead just create a new account and put those stuff there. But if you can keep on appealing and appealing and appealing, please do that. If they give you an answer, reach out to me and tell me I found a solution more and more, because we are into research process. I've made nothing less than 4, 6, 7 videos regards book blocking. They have been of help to many people, and many people have new accounts that are working fine. So it doesn't matter whether it's a Kindle Vella or a normal account, which people call it. Both accounts are good, and they don't limit. Sorry, they don't limit your sales, and that's not the reason your book is not going live. Sometimes Amazon general fault. So I want you to be strong. I want you to be courageous. Your book that have been blocked, republish them on a new account, and they will all go live. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ensure you subscribe and give me a like for this.